was it out there? What were the conditions like?
Not bad. Little windy, little chop, not much.
Mystery.
Well, congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to Connecticut.
Connecticut. You did great.
On the beach! On the beach! This way! Unbelievable! Watch out, guys.
Where are you guys from?
Cornwall in England.
Did you guys come here just for this?
Yeah, this lovely boat was loaned us by Gloucester.
What were the conditions like out there?
Not bad.
Not bad?
Short, nothing too serious.
Wonderful.
Calm, really.
Congratulations.
When do we row back?
Can I ask where you guys are from? And what were the conditions like out there today?
We're very, very choppy.
Choppy.
Started out nice and got very choppy.
And your husband, and my husband's racing.
They're racing.
This is their third race. Third.
How do they usually do?
They won last year. Yep. In their division. Absolutely, both of them did. Every Saturday with the Hull Life Saving Museum.
They local?
Yeah, it's the Hull Life Saving Museum.
Yeah. God praise. Yo, Bill.
How were the conditions?
Well, this is Patrick, and my name is Rebecca. We have a friend, Bill, and he's going to be coming in. We're waiting for him. This is his wife, Debbie.
How does he usually do?
Well, he runs the program. Well, he doesn't. He runs the kids program. He doesn't run. He coaches the kids
At the Life Saving Museum in Hull?
But let's just put it this way: he hasn't come in yet, so he's not in first place. No, it goes by age, and he'll probably be in first place. All right.
Who's in first place in this race? It's the people in the Firefly boat is in first place.
Well, they did pretty good, and they're with the Life Saving Museum.
It's a pretty boat, isn't it, honey?
Yeah, I like that boat.
Yellow and red.
Oh, you